everybody, Darcy Marla here. So here's the truth. Wholesaling is getting crushed, but there's a better way forward. Those dead leads you've been throwing away, they can actually become your biggest paydays if you know how to pivot. And that pivot is into small-scale land improvement. Today, I'm going to show you how this strategy works and how it can 10 times your finder's fee while eliminating the competition from your fellow wholesalers. So why is wholesaling breaking down? Number one, regulation. In more and more states, you need to be licensed to wholesale. In some places, assignments are restricted or outright banned. Number two, reputation. Wholesaling has been branded as predatory. The postcards, the endless cold calls, the lowball offers. Sellers are fed up, and you're probably tired of getting yelled at too. Number three, cost. You're spending a fortune on marketing, hundreds of leads, hours of sorting junk, and at the end of the day, maybe 3 or 4, even worth considering. That's a grind. By the way, quick aside, I actually built a tool to solve that exact problem. It's called the Investor AI Toolkit. Instead of sifting through hundreds of junk leads, it uses prop stream data and smart AI prompts to cut your list down to 10 or 15 deals actually worth pursuing. I'll drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. And lastly, unit economics. Typical wholesale assignment fee, $5,000 to $10,000. Meanwhile, your marketing spend and time investment keep going up. That's not a great equation. But here's where it gets interesting. Think about all the leads you've thrown away in the past. Vacant land, for example. Wholesalers hate it because there's no house to flip. For developers, that's gold. Vacant land is the blank canvas for micro-development. Old teardowns? People who renovate don't want them because the house is too far gone. Builders don't care about the building. They only want the lot underneath. That's a perfect opportunity. Sellers in strong financial shape? Most wholesalers walk away because the seller won't take a lowball offer. But we can partner with them, bring the entitlement, split the upside, and now you're both ahead. These are deals that move you out of the crowded race, and you're no longer competing with 100 other wholesalers chasing the same tired houses. And here's the kicker. You don't need a lot of money to get into this, and most plays are usually in and out in 6 months or less. This is how dead leads come back to life and become your most profitable deals. So what's the pivot? Instead of flipping junk houses, focus on the land underneath. Instead of assigning contracts with no value add value. So here's how it works. You find lots where you can create more value just with paperwork. Maybe you can split one lot into 2. Maybe you can adjust the lot line to make both parcels buildable. Maybe you can upzone to higher density, or even add an ADU approval. The magic is this. You don't need a house in good shape, you don't need a seller in bad shape, and you don't need huge amounts of cash. Sometimes you don't even have to buy the property. You can partner with the seller, do the entitlement, and split the profit. That's the pivot. Don't just flip land, add value first. Here's the payoff. A typical wholesale assignment fee might be 5 or 10 grand, but when you take that same lead and run a micro development play, you can 10 times that. We're talking 50,000, 100,000 or more. Why? Because you're not just passing along a piece of paper. You're delivering a more valuable product. A lot that's build ready, a property that allows higher density, a house that is ADU approved. And builders, developers, and investors will pay a premium for that because you've saved them months of time and mountains of risk. And why is now the right time? Cities across the country are begging for more housing. They're writing redevelopment plans, they're encouraging density, demand is strong, supply is tight, and almost no one is looking at these paperwork first plays. That's why I call it a blue ocean. In a few years, more people will catch on, but right now, the gap is wide open, competition is almost non-existent, so you can either watch this window open and close, or you can move now, while the best deals are still sitting in plain sight. So if you're a flipper, wholesaler, or tradesperson, and you're tired of fighting for scraps, this is your chance to pivot. Take those dead leads and turn them into your most profitable deals. Partner with sellers. Add value before you flip. That's exactly what I teach inside my full micro-development course. So if you're ready for the step-by-step playbook, from spotting opportunities, to structuring deals, to cashing the check, I'll drop a link in the description. But whether you join me or not, remember this. Don't just flip land, add value first. That's where the real money is.